and welcome to Miramar Station Library. I'm Sonia, and today we're going to be making edible finger paint for your baby. All we'll need is some Greek yogurt, baby rice cereal, and about a couple of food coloring suggestions for your recipe. For red finger paint, I've already mixed in 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baby rice cereal and 1 tablespoon of the red baby food puree. We're going to mix that in together. And this isn't going to show up very brightly. It's supposed to be sort of a pastel color. But as you can see, as soon as it's all mixed up, it's ready to go for your baby to enjoy. Next, we're going to do the green finger paint. Again, I've already mixed in 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and we'll need about 2 teaspoons of baby rice cereal and about 4 teaspoons of the green puree. Okay. Mix that in together. And there you have it, our red and green edible food coloring. We've included the white construction paper in your grab and go kit this month, so you can use for very colorful playtime activities.